This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make reminders in Notion. Open a page, add a date property, and enable reminders immediately to start receiving alerts. Next, customize reminder times, repeat intervals, and notification channels for desktop and mobile. I will walk through creating a quick single reminder, a recurring reminder, and testing notifications so you feel confident. Follow along and pause when needed to try each step in your workspace. In this video, I will explain advanced repeat rules for Notion reminders. Start by choosing repeat, then pick daily, weekly, monthly, or create a custom pattern for business or personal needs. For 1/4 month cycles or every 3 days, use custom intervals and test them. You can link reminders to different views to separate work and personal tasks, keeping your setup tidy and predictable for consistent follow-through. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: a great money book to pair with productivity habits is The Simple Path to Wealth, a clear, practical read that can change how you think about saving and spending. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab it if interested. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you set up reminder templates in Notion. Create a template that includes a date property with reminders already set and add a checklist for context and action steps. Use template buttons on pages or databases so you can spawn ready reminders in one click. I will guide you through naming, saving, and updating templates so your recurring tasks remain reliable and effortless to create.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.